As the wave of green travel surges across the globe, Galaxy Bicycle Company Limited has always been dedicated to the research and development and production of bicycles, driving the new era of green travel with innovative technology. The company is located in Heishan City, Jiangmen, Guangdong Province, a renowned manufacturing city. It owns two self-owned brands, Galaxy Cycle and VeloPro, and provides professional OEM and ODM services for global customers. With over a decade of extensive experience in the industry, we have consistently specialized in the manufacturing of mid to high-end bicycles. Our comprehensive product portfolio includes electric mountain bikes powered by lithium-ion batteries, urban commuter bicycles, traditional mountain, as well as road bicycles and folding bikes catering to a diverse range of cycling needs. The company currently employs approximately 300 individuals and has established a modern office area spanning nearly 3,000 square meters. Additionally, we provide a living support area for employees covering 6,000 square meters and maintain standardized factory buildings totaling 30,000 square meters. Our production base is equipped with 4 complete bicycle assembly lines measuring 50 meters each, an automatic painting system from Japan's Ransburg Corporation, and a fully automated wheel set production line. This setup enables us to achieve an impressive annual production capacity of 300,000 lithium battery bicycles and 500,000 conventional bicycles, an achievement that reflects our relentless pursuit of production efficiency. We are committed to quality assurance through our comprehensive inspection system that utilizes precision instruments such as frame fatigue testing machine, frame and fork multifunctional testing machine, programmable rain testing machine, and BB part pedal force dynamic fatigue testing machine. This allows us to conduct thorough quality monitoring from raw materials and components all the way through to the finished bicycles. All products meet international certification standards including EN 15194, RoHS compliance standards, and ISO 4210. Since its establishment in 2013, Galaxy has upheld a professional ethos while creating reliable cycling products. Supported by a dedicated sales team alongside experienced production personnel and robust R&D capabilities within a stringent quality control framework, Galaxy products enjoy strong market performance across 5 continents. Currently, approximately 10% of our products are supplied to the Chinese mainland market, while the remaining 90% are exported globally, including regions such as Europe, America, Middle East, Southeast Asia, among others. Galaxy, make it by heart and make it better, embodies not only the core philosophy of our enterprise, but also a solemn commitment to every user. Moving forward, we will continue to strive to be a trusted long-term partner for global customers through highly competitive products, innovative design concepts, and a comprehensive service system. Together with you, Galaxy is committed to driving towards a sustainable future.